Hello, hello. Good Monday. Beautiful day in Florida. Blue sky with a little bit cloud to decorate this blue sky. And I'm in a warehouse cleaning a drapery that I received from California. And the ladies say to me, I have a very special draperies, one of a kind, made with a copper wire. All the design made with a copper beautiful wire. And it is handmade. Somebody was sitting and make my draperies for a long time. I wait for it long time. But I didn't realize then my neighbor cat behind the slide door coming to visit my cats. And they communicate by UP-IP. And it become smelly in the living room behind the sofa. I didn't see any stain or anything, but anytime that we're sitting in the living room watching TV, unpleasant smell coming from the back from the slide door. We didn't realize it till one day I was looking behind the sofa, and then I realized that my cats urinated on it, and the copper wire become oxidized, and the drapery become green completely. The smell was so bad. The minute then I move it, the smell become overwhelming. So I went to Mr. Dr. Google and I searched how to clean drapery from urine odor. And I realized then it's only one company on the face of the earth. It's calling PetPeePee in Florida. I didn't hesitate it, and I put it in the instruction, and I ship it to Florida. And I said to Mr. Martin, me, that if he cannot remove the stain, it's okay because it's behind the sofa. However, the most important to me is the odor. And this is how the drapery left my house. And I was sure, almost positive, then I will receive the drapery, the 3 panels, completely green because it's a copper wire. It takes me 3 weeks to make my magic. I work on this drapery for 3 weeks till I remove the rusty copper, the greenish, and I remove the odor. It's still one of the drapery, still having a little bit discoloration of the rusty copper. This cannot be removed. However, it's very light compared to what it was, and the lady still can use this one-of-a-kind drapery because it's made with a copper wire, and copper wire with a peepee will oxidize and having a green rusty copper. PetPeePee. I clean a very tough situation. That's the dog, the cats urinating on the drapery, Oriental rug, comforter, wedding dress. I specialize the removal of the urine odor. PetPeePee. A cleaning process that makes sense. I'm using my own cleaning recipe that I invented from the Dead Sea. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy Monday. Monday is the best day in the week. And looking for hear from you in a comment below. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet.